Hey y'all, and happy Sunday. Ooh.
Coming back my head. I ain't got no cut.
I ain't got jack squat planned for today. Made some French toast. I just bought a movie. I forgot what it's called, but I gotta wait till I get back around the corner to show y'all. I ain't read no Godzilla. Godzilla right now is what, $19.99?
Yeah.
No. I bought a shark movie on Amazon Prime for $6.99. I'm just renting it.
She said too tight. No, my black one fit just like this too. Oh, yeah.
Well, good morning. All right, we're gonna have some fish sticks, some French toast sticks with some syrup. So, yeah, I know Shark Week is coming up, and I really need to go get a bottle of Sprite and some lemonade so that we can make some of these popsicles. And then, of course, I also want to make some Shark Week cupcakes. So I think those are the two things I'll do this year. But I might add in a surprise because I really do like Shark Week, and it takes no time to make these things. But yeah, I need one too. She knows just what to do for me. I'm not putting my syrup on the plate. I like to put it in these little things.
Put it on the side.
On the side. Yep, so Cam will be home later. I'm gonna get ready to vacuum. Trash is going up out of here today. And yeah, I have no idea what to fix for dinner. Maybe corn dog nuggets, or I have stuff for spaghetti. Spaghetti. I ain't got no garlic bread.
Well, that's fine.
Then again, I could make some homemade garlic bread. Yep, I've done that before. All right, y'all, so I ordered something in the water. Hey, y'all. It's been later in the day. I haven't really vlogged much. I've spent most of the day watching Love and Hip Hop from, I think it's like 2021. Trying to get caught up on that while I have my subscription to Paramount Plus. Then again, we are off and on watching Fire Country. So meanwhile, today, while I was in the midst of like doing all that, I created a easy Pinterest meal, and then I'll share that with you guys in a separate video, just because I want to make it to where I show you guys the actual way to cook it instead of just trying to hurry up. I also made it into a short, and then I made some cookies, chocolate chip cookies, the ones that are like the best ever. So I made those and I put it into a short as well. So right now, of course, it's Sunday, and I've been dreading all week long to take trash to my job because I just haven't wanted to go. So I'm taking trash right now to my job and heading back home because my cookies are done and I've allowed them to cool off. So it's probably gonna take me just like another 5 minutes, you know, to get there and then get back home. So probably like 10 minutes. So yeah. Y'all, I am no done. What? I am no good. They got Waiting to Exhale on Disney Plus. Come on now. The kids might click on this and see her setting something on fire. Ooh, child. I just made us lunch not too long ago. So like little Kraft mac and cheese and some sweet peas. It's been a long morning. I feel like I've just been on the go, getting a few things done in here. I totally forgot that from Sam's Club I ordered some shirts because it came separately with another, like it was a pair of shorts that Charles wanted, and I totally forgot that this was supposed to come because it didn't come together. So because I didn't realize if she had any, you know, shirts or whatever, so I had ordered these for her to be able to wear on vacation. Yeah. Size 10, 12. So yeah, we're growing out of like the 7, 8. So like I said, totally forgot that I had bought those for her. But glad they came in. Meanwhile, y'all know I dyed my hair last year for vacation. As you can see, it's blonde and you know, like it's coming back. Or I ain't gonna say blonde. I'll just say like that brownish tint is coming back. That is from the sun beaming down on it. That is from me washing it out. And what I want to do for vacation is the same as last year. Just go ahead and bleach it and then add some toner over top of it. So that it, yeah, because last year my hair was beautiful on vacation. I mean, beautiful. But I want to make sure that it's healthy and not beautiful. You know what I mean? But anyways, let me go pull these hot dogs out. That's what might be for dinner. Y'all see that? She likes making my Javi iced coffees for me nowadays. Let me taste test. Let's see. It's good. She made some blueberry cheesecake muffins. I just gotta throw them in the oven.
I'm really into making things. Yeah.
I got my golden girls. I got my golden girls. I got my golden girls. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's from back in the day.
It's what?
It's from back in the day.
Golden Girls is from back in the day. I'm gonna try to watch Golden Girls before we go back to school. So these go in the oven on 400 for 14 minutes.
Dad.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I made some ham and cheese biscuits in the air fryer, y'all.
And I'm
So
making
good.
that.
And she's making waffles. So, yeah, she's a waffle person.
Yes.
Literally
gosh.
ham and cheese,
So bad.
air fryer biscuits. I made me a Javi iced coffee, and now she's flipping these. Oh, what happened? She's flipping these waffles. Oh, let me see. Open it all the way. All right, yeah, just flick it off.
Ooh, that's crispy.
So we got this little heart
It's crispy, guys.
dash. Crispy?
Yeah.
You like crispy?
Yeah.
You're crazy.
Fine. Fat.
All right, close it then.
Wait, I'm actually gonna just do 2, but only a little bit.
All right, hurry up. Close it. So it can start to form. Hey, y'all, and welcome to my channel. It's been a minute, y'all. Like, for me, it has. I know I've been putting out vlogs, but it's like, it's been a minute for me as far as coming out the house. So, I think today was like the final straw for like the groceries. So I'm heading to the Food Lion up the street from my house to pick up a pickup order at 7. But First, I decided to drop some things off at Goodwill. It was about 3 bags. Head over to McDonald's and get the family something to eat. I then went and wanted to show you guys the grocery haul that I got. So I got hamburger buns and I got hot dog buns. I also picked up some enriched white bread, just 1 loaf to last us for a week. And then, of course, the classic Franks. These are by Bar S. I picked up 2 of the Lunchables that are pizza with pepperoni. And then I got some flour tortillas for the shredded chicken tacos. I picked up a count of 18 eggs and then a gallon of the 2% milk, 1 of the jumbo biscuit butter flavored, and then I had to pick up some garlic powder as I was running out. I picked up some easy pizza crust, some mac and cheese for the kids, and then mac and cheese for dinner. I also got a thing of ground beef. This ground beef is going to be used for the tortellini meal that I have planned, and then I also needed some mozzarella cheese. I also picked up some chicken tenderloins. This big pack was $10.36, so I am gonna divide this into 3 different little Ziploc bags and make 3 different things with it. I also decided to get some chicken breasts, so it came in a pack of 4 for $6.64. I'm going to use 2 of those for Mississippi baked chicken and then 2 of those for shredded chicken tacos. I picked up some Tide and then of course 2 of the cereal boxes, Frosted Flakes, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And I also got this thing of toilet paper for like $6. Not a bad deal. These were things that I just needed in order to pick up that will hold us over for another week without having to go into our vacation money that we have set to the side. Hey y'all, it's Friday. Friday, that is. So I've been up, had breakfast. For breakfast, I had like a sausage and gravy deep dish banquet breakfast little thing, $4. Had my Java iced coffee. Now I'm drinking water. Now, when I went to McDonald's yesterday, we had so much food left over. Well, not so much, but like I had got the cheeseburger meal where it came with 2 cheeseburgers and a 20-piece. I got buy one get one free deluxe McCrispies, and then I also got a 10-piece nugget meal. So what's gonna feed us today is the leftovers. I'm gonna try to put these nuggets in the air fryer and see what happens. Maybe for like 3 minutes, and then if it needs to be cooked a little longer, okay. But that's what I'm gonna start with. I'll do 4. So my plan for today is nothing, literally nothing. I have been busting my tail cleaning, literally packing and getting everything together ahead of time, because I know how I can be and I will forget, because you know I'm packing for me and 2 kiddos, you know. So with that being said, like I said, don't have anything planned. Don't have any dishes to wash. I'm just trying to make sure I keep this water intake going, because outside, baby, it's 99 damn degrees. I'm not touching foot outside. Is the AC on in my house? Yes. Anyways, so have a lot of different things coming out soon. So there's pack with me, vacation outfits, there's pre-vacation cleaning, there's Shark Week ideas for you guys if you are into that type of stuff too. And then of course, who knows, I might go live a time or 2. But anyways, I'm gonna try to really just chill today. I wanted to try to make Alfredo pizza, but I'm just like, or chicken Alfredo pizza. I don't know. I don't think that it's the best thing to do with the pizza dough that I picked up yesterday from Food Lion. So like, that's one that you need like the canned, you know, pizza crust or whatever. So I don't know. We'll see. If not, I'm just gonna be making chicken Alfredo, because I've already thawed the chicken out. I have the Alfredo sauce up there, and then I have the noodles that I need. So I'm gonna see what happens when these nuggets come out. All right, y'all, heat them up on 360 for about 5 minutes. We'll see. You know, the crazy thing is I went to McDonald's yesterday, clearly placed my order online, said the sauces that I wanted with it. You think I got sauces with it? No. So luckily, you know, anybody with some common sense saves all the sauces. Now, Charles will not eat any of these sauces if they have been sitting. The thing of it is like, we don't just let these sit. You know, sauces, I'm gonna say don't go bad unless it's been like, I'm not gonna keep no sauce for no year, no. But he is determined that like sauces go bad. So I really wish that they would start putting like expiration dates on these, just to like clarify with him, like, here is a thing of ranch, right? So I didn't ask for ranch yesterday because I forgot, I got distracted. If, for me, it's not a problem because I know that these haven't expired yet, especially when I know that I've been to these places within the last 3-4 months. That's, you know, that's as good as they get. And as much sauce as we like, Polynesian barbecue, ketchup, and ranch, we run through them. Literally. So, you know, he's just weird like that. But it was just funny because they didn't include any sauces in the bag. So even if I would have asked for sauce for him, I still would have been asked out. All right, y'all, so now that the pizza dough has formed, chicken is ready, and the Alfredo sauce is heated up, I added the Alfredo sauce. I added some of the mozzarella cheese. I added a few pieces of spinach on my side, and then I also added that chicken and then layered it again with some more mozzarella cheese. Let me just tell y'all, this was a really, really good pizza. What I will say is there was nothing wrong with the crust, but if you really want to spicing it up, I would say like add some garlic butter around the crust. I would also say like buy the Pillsbury pizza dough. That way you can cut it into squares and not triangles like we had to. But overall, it was really good and I'm looking forward to movie night.
Yeah! It sure is good to be a free fox again. That's a good back scratcher.
Hey y'all, and happy Saturday, y'all. My hair is a mess. Didn't put it up in bonnet last night, so it is what it is. Say happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday.
Anyways, I'm editing, or at least trying to edit, and my computer's acting up again. So I think I'm gonna have to, I don't know, I think I'm gonna have to edit it on my phone. Anyways, watching Shayla Vlogs and Peaks 100. Yeah, I forgot I got grits over on the table. So I've already made me an iced coffee this morning. Java iced coffee. Like I say, y'all, trying to save them coins. I ain't been going nowhere. So I just forgot to mash it up. But anyways, I don't have anything planned today other than to chill. Got iced coffee. Like I said, I'm trying to edit like 1 or 2 videos so that way I could just go back to my daily vlogging. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting the subscription button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.